We're here at the IPM show in Essen, Germany, clearly one of the largest nursery shows in the world. We're checking out these amazing booths, and we're here with Gerrit Luiten, and I was instantly drawn to this booth because of the amazing espalier trained fruit trees that we're looking at. Gerrit, give us a little background. Tell us what we're looking at here.
For example, this tree is 50 years old. We dig them out with root balls.
Yes.
And we grow them in pots. So we give these trees a second life.
Well, I think that's an amazing story. You know, 50 years old, it's amazing, really.
It's really amazing, yes. When the roots are starting in spring, for example in April, May, in 4 months this tree is full rooted in pot. Yeah? Very special work we do with ground and microiza to give a second life. And this is very important. What we use.
The potting soil.
Yes, this soil. When the soil is okay and the water, this tree is growing again.
That's amazing. How did you come to specialize in this particular kind of nursery product?
Yes, before 13 years we start with this. I was going to Spain to see the olivo trees, the big olivo trees from
Yes,
100 or 200 years, also 1,000 years old. They dig them out, they put them in pots, yes, and the new growing is coming. But the olivo trees in Holland or Germany, it's too cold. When it's freezing, -10, they are kaput.
Yes.
Yes? So it's a problem. We start an alternative, so we come to these fruit trees. The fruit trees from 30, 50 or 70 years, we dig them out. In 1 year, they are full rooted, and we give them a second life to our clients, landscapers, architects, cash and carries, make tree business.
You know, in the show here, I've seen lots of bare root nurseries with these tiny little spindly trees, just sort of the beginning. I mean, you look at these and 20, 30, 50 years of growth.
Yes.
Amazing. There's quite a bit of work that goes into training these, yes? Into getting all these little side branches. Can you tell us a little bit about where the fruits show up on the tree and what's the advantage to these being trained in this way? So, if I'm guessing then also that many of these varieties are the older varieties,
Yeah.
not a lot of the modern varieties. You know, in America, that would be a huge bargain. I mean, that's I'm going to say in America, this would be a $1,500, $2,000 tree. Well, this is really a display of incredible horticultural workmanship. You can look at these trees and see that they've been tended for years and years and years. So they sort of come ready to go. Yes. All right. Well, thanks so much for talking to me.